Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. At Radha Gopinath temple, the dress department has always tried to give Radha Gopinath ji beautiful offerings to different concepts and show it through our cultural art that we have.
Few years back, for a Janmashtami night dress, we had a traditionally Madhubani painted dress, which was very, very beautiful. So it was good enough number of years, and I thought it was high time we have another traditionally painted dress, and that's when the inspiration for the Kerala mural art came from.
When I heard the name first time, I was very skeptical to, because I didn't know about it, which shows the kind of ignorance we have about our own culture.
Just in a part of a conversation, I told Preeti Radhe that we should try this out. So we went to one of these artists and we saw their samples, and finally we came out with the budget for the dress. And once the budget was given, we really understood that this doesn't seem possible, and we said we'll drop this idea at this point. But then Preeti Radhe and Vritti, both of them came over and said, no, we will paint this dress. I said, this is not a painting dress, it is a Kerala mural art dress, and it's a particular kind of art in which I want a particular kind of painting to be done. But they said, no, we will learn this art. So both of them actually took classes and learned this kind of art, and that's when they started painting.
Initially, it came as a huge challenge of the entire dress being made for Gopinath ji and Radhavan Vihari ji and everybody. Then slowly I got to know more about the art form. The main design on Radharani's dress was designed by my sir, Dr. Balaji Bhange. All of us came together to make designs for all the other ritis, for the dupattas. We took references from the net.
When I saw the design first time, I was very excited, very, very bright colors, and we thought, let's do it. And then when they started doing it, they were like, oh, we'll finish it so fast. And slowly the details crept in, and it became more and more elaborate, more and more beautiful, and more appealing.
And once we started doing it, we realized that there are a lot of specific things that this art form demands or it requires. It has specific motifs, the different borders like Manimalla designs, which are very specific to Kerala mural art form. It's a very traditional and a historical art form.
केरला मुरल आर्ट हे साधारणतः भागवतम, रामायण, महाभारत या प्रकारच्या पौराणिक चित्र हे भिंतीवर रेखाटलेले आहेत. ही सगळी जी चित्र आहेत या चित्रांसाठी वापरलेला रंग हा नैसर्गिक पद्धतीचा आहे.
They used to use all the natural elements like laterite, limestone, leaves, then the soot from the lamp. So right now obviously we couldn't use all these things, so we obviously use acrylic colors because it had to be painted on silk, which was another challenge that we faced.
म्हणजे सिल्क एवढं पातळ आणि मलम आणि मुलायम असं कपड आहे की ज्याच्यावर पेंटिंग करणं तसं एक जिकरीचं आणि फार मुश्किलीचं काम होतं.
Initially, because of the lot of challenges that we were facing, at one time we thought that the dress would not come out or it wouldn't manifest at all. Painting on paper and on silk makes a huge difference. People who were very good artists also, we had to tell them to practice first and then come and do it on the cloth actually.
या ठिकाणी छपाई करताना आम्ही सिल्कवर एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचं पंचिंग मशीन आणि त्याशिवाय खाका प्रकार जो असतो, जसं कपड्यावर डिझाईन करण्यासाठी वापरतो, त्याचा वापर करून आम्ही एनलार्जमेंट करून ते पूर्णत्वास नेण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न करतोय. या चित्राचं वैशिष्ट्य असं आहे की याला 3 डायमेन्शन हा प्रकार आहे. हे चित्र भित्तिचित्र हे फ्लॅट स्वरूपात कधी असत नाही, म्हणजे त्याला एक आकारमान एक आहे. विशेष म्हणजे एकाच आकाराची साधारणतः माझ्या हिशोबाने साधारण 300 ते 400 कमळ आम्ही या ठिकाणी रेखाटलेली आहेत.
At one point of time there were people who didn't know painting, but then they gradually learned, they practiced, and then slowly the dress manifests so beautifully.
कहते हैं ना कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कलाकार होने चाहिए. अगर आपके अंदर भगवान की सेवा करने के लिए चाह है, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप अपना समय भगवान की सेवा में लगाओ, तो भगवान आपके ऊपर अपनी कृपा बरसाते हैं और आप उस पेंटिंग को करना सीख जाते. सो जो माहौल था हमारे पेंटिंग रूम का, जहाँ पे हम भगवान की सेवा के लिए ड्रेस पेंट कर रहे थे। तो वो काफ़ी मज़ेदार भी रहा। कभी किसी के साथ अनबन हो रही थी, कोई किसी के ब्रश चुरा लेता था, तो काफ़ी कुछ मतलब मज़ेदार भी था। कहीं किसी का पानी गिर रहा है तो कुछ कहीं पेंट के कलर्स कहीं और गिर गए, अब इसको कैसे रिपेयर करेंगे हम लोग। तो ऐसी काफ़ी सारी मुश्किलें भी आई, बट बहुत मज़ा आया। कुछ लोग रेगुलर अपना समय दे रहे हैं ये सेवा के लिए, कुछ लोग ऑफिस का टाइम संभाल कर आ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग यहाँ पर आके अपना वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी कर रहे हैं।
It is definitely an amazing combined effort of love, devotion and attention, which I think is the most wanted object of Krishna. Krishna wants everybody's love as much as they can give. So this is the different way in which they have expressed their love.
When the dress actually started and this whole concept actually started, I was quite skeptical whether they'll be able to complete this dress and whether it will look like a Kerala mural art. But at this stage, when we are ending this dress, I feel so happy that we didn't give it outside, and our congregation, all of us came together and made a dress which is so beautiful that we are all waiting to see it.
It has taken a long time, which I felt required so much patience. So there is design, there is color, there is beauty, there is a lot of love and devotion involved in this dress, and I think that makes a perfect offering for this most rarest Janmashtami, where all the different six tattvas are coming together. You know, this Janmashtami is very, very special. So it is going to be a very, very most heart-rendering offering. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
We are all excited to see Radha Gopinath and Radha Vanviyari ji, Gaurnita and Gopal ji all adorn the dress on Janmashtami. We are all waiting for that eagerly.